Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will solve division problems with remainders using the area model. The TEKs that we are going to be working on today are 4.4E, 4.4F, 4.4G, 4.4H, and 4.4A. Okay, so we are going to solve 46 divided by 3. So I'm going to represent this with an area model moving from part to whole by place value. So let's go ahead and first draw our rectangle to represent our area model. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my rectangle. And I know that one of the side lengths are going to be 3 because we are dividing it by 3. Okay, so the total area of this rectangle should be 76 square units. Right? Now, the width is going to be 3. So we know 3 times something is going to equal 76. But we are going to go ahead and divide each of these into little sections, and we're going to go ahead and multiply them together and make it a little bit easier for us to divide. So 3 times how many tens is going to get us as close to 70 as possible, because 70 we can't divide into 3 in equal amount. So I know that 3 times 20 times 2 tens is going to give me 60 tens, or 60, right? So if I take 2 tens, that is going to give me 60 square units. Right? So now I have 3 times 2 tens is going to give me 60 square units. So let's go ahead and do our standard algorithm over here. So we have 76 divided by 3. So 3 times 2 tens is going to give me 60. And if I subtract that, that's going to give me 16 square units left over. Okay, now we are now going to go ahead and figure out, okay, so what can we multiply by 3 to get as close to 16 as possible? So I can multiply 3 times 5 ones, and that is going to give me 15 square units. So now if I take 3 times 5 ones, 3 times 5 ones is 15, and that's going to leave me with 1 unit left over. Okay, so now we got to go ahead and represent that, and this is 1 unit. So now we can see that if we take 76 divided by 3, we have 25 because we have 2 tens plus 5 ones, which is going to give us 25. So 76 divided by 3 is going to give us 25, but we have a remainder of 1. So our quotient is 25 with a remainder of 1. Okay, everybody, thank you all so much for joining me. Let's go ahead and review today's lesson objectives. So today we solved division problems with remainders using the area model. The TEKs that we worked on today is 4.4E, 4.4F, 4.4G, 4.4H, and 4.5A. Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this was a helpful lesson, and I'll see you next lesson. Bye, everybody.